Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Home Interiors. Are you looking for the wall mirror design ideas for your living area or for your home interior? So you are at the right place. In this video, I am going to show you the beautiful, the creative and stylish wall mirror designs for your living area, dining area and for your home interior. So I will recommend you that this video will really helps you a lot. So please watch this video till the end. Mirrors are a very important piece of a room decoration. The wall mirror designs can help to spread the light around the room, and also it can help you to make your room look bigger than it really is. But above all, a wall mirror is an excellent opportunity to bring a new touch of glamour into your living room and into your home interior. A mirror can make any room to act more soothing and sophisticated. There are not any rules when it comes to decorating the living area with mirrors. No matter where you put one, mirrors are an easy way to reflect light, make space look bigger, and open up a room. A wall mirror is a great piece of furniture to reflect the beauty of any room. We present you a bunch of wall mirrors with unique designs to help you to find out the right one for your home interior. There are lots of ways to decorate your home interior, and wall mirror decoration is one of them. So that's why in this video I am showing you the mirror decoration ideas to brighten your home. Beyond their practical use as an aid for personal grooming, strategically adding mirrors to your bedroom, entryway or living room will add life and sparkle to otherwise overlooked areas. Mirrors have almost a magical ability to make a room seem bigger and brighter, and can be used to visually expand the size of small rooms. Here are the amazing 50 mirror decoration ideas for your home interior that will help you to decorate your home. Square or rectangular frame mirrors are the most commonly available, but don't limit your ideas for decorating with mirrors to only these shapes. Round mirrors can be used as a central focal point in rooms and make spaces feel more relaxed and inviting. For a more modern twist, mirror decoration ideas that incorporate interesting shapes or groupings of smaller mirrors will give your room a cleaner and more energetic vibe. Or if you prefer old world charm, consider upgrading your mirrors to more ornate gold or silver leafed frames. When thinking of ideas for decorating with mirrors in your home, it's important to keep the scale and theme of your decor in mind. A large modernistic mirror will stand out negatively in a charmingly rustic room. But the right mirror decoration ideas can tie the look of a room together while adding light and liveliness to your home. In this video, you are watching the amazing and fabulous mirror wall ideas. This is another great way of decorating your empty walls. Mirror wall is something that will give classy touch to your home interior. Even better is if you find vintage mirrors and hang them on the wall. Hang mirrors in different styles, shapes, colors and materials, and believes us, it will be the best wall decoration ever. Also, if the space is small, the mirrors will make it bigger. So, if you have a small room and you don't know what to do with the walls, this is the best solution for you. So that's why in this video we present you the 50 fabulous mirror wall ideas to inspire you. So enjoy this video till the end. It will help you a lot. And I have a request to all of you guys that if this video will be beneficial for you, then please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Mirrors are not just designed to add a decorative touch to an interior. They are also the perfect solution for making a space feel bigger, brighter and larger. Here we share some of our favorite ways to use mirrors of all styles to showcase the beauty of various design schemes from bedroom to dining areas. I hope that you will also provide your feedback in the comment box. If you have any suggestions, any opinions or any feedback, so you can provide it us in the comment box. That is directly available in the below of this video. In this video, I am showing you the beautiful wall mirrors. Using mirrors as a design, you can use mirrors as a design element. We all know that mirrors can make a room appear larger, and that's a neat trick. But mirrors are more than just one trick ponies. They can also be used as a design element to help complete whatever look you are trying to achieve. A mirror can provide either contrast or balance when used correctly. It can also unify a space or serves as the focal point in the room interior. However, it's important to make sure that the scale and proportion are harmonious with the setting. So this was all about the wall mirror design ideas. I hope that you enjoyed this video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Be happy, stay blessed. Thank you so much.